Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start a new poem, and the poem is Beauty. This poem is written by E.S. Shore, and in this poem, beauty has been defined. The poet says that beauty is there in everything. Now to know more about beauty, let's read this poem. So first, I'll share the summary of this poem, then explanation. So let's start the summary. So in this poem, the poet is trying to say that beauty is in everything. All the small things we do and the environment around us, everything has beauty in it. Everything has its own importance. All things are beautiful in their own unique way. Sunlight has its own beauty. Beauty can be seen in the growing corns, people who are working and dancing for getting good harvest. Beauty is not only seen but can also be heard or felt. For example, when night falls, wind blows slowly, the sound of rain falls, and when a singer sings. They all give pleasure to the mind and make it feel happy. Beauty is not just outside, it is also inside. Beauty is the self. Our good deeds, happy thoughts, please everyone are all beautiful. Our dreams are also beautiful as they give us reason to advance and work with zeal. Beauty is in your style of work, the way you take rest and sleep. Beauty is everywhere. It is in attitude, the way we look at things. Actually, everything is beautiful in its own unique manner. The need is to feel it. Now let's read the poem. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corns growing and people working or dancing for their harvest. So there is a very famous saying that beauty is in the eyes of beholder. So in this stanza, the poet is saying that beauty is the attitude of a person. Beauty is everywhere. It can be seen in the sunlight, and also beauty can be seen in trees and birds and growing crops. People who dance to show their happiness with their crops are ready. Now, number 2. Beauty is heard in the night, winding sighing, raining fall, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting, anything in earnest. So in second stanza, the poet is saying that beauty is a thing to be felt. It can be heard, means one can listen to it, means one can listen to beauty like one can hear its sound. When night falls, when the wind blows and creates a sound, when rain falls on the earth, when a singer sings, one can even feel it in sincere and honest conviction of a person. Now look at third and last stanza. Beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. So in this third stanza, the poet says that beauty is not always external or visible, it is within. It can be abstract also. Abstract means which cannot be seen, only you can feel about it. So one's views, good acts, one's wishes, which one even imagine in dreams. Beauty can be one way of work or even the style of taking rest. Thus, beauty is very vast. It cannot be confined to one thing, rather it is there in everything. We just need eyes and a heart to see the beauty. This is the poem. I hope you have understood it very well. Thank you very much for watching this video.